Hello everyone, welcome you all for this episode of Startup Bites. My name is Gunesh Shekhar and I'm a startup coach and the author of the book Startup Recipe. In this series called Startup Bites, we are actually discussing about a lot of new initiatives, and today we are going to discuss about one initiative by my friend Vishal, and that's what is going to be the discussion today. Welcome Vishal for this show of Startup Bites.
Thank you so much, Guna, for making up this particular session. Right, it's pleasure to meet you and all the audience who are watching this video today.
Thank you, Vishal, for being here. And Vishal, I know that last 10 years under the brand name of Outmatics, you are actually doing a lot of robotics trainings for thousands of students in their campus, outside their campus, etc. But recently, you have started something called Android app coding class, which is a 5 day class online. You are actually doing it for a lot of kids. This is something which you have started very recently. So, what made you to start with this new initiative? Why you started this? What's the reason?
See, Guna, the main reason why we all started this was we work with a mission that we wanted to inspire 100,000 teens all over the globe, right? So that has been our vision for us all over the last 10 years. Okay. So that's why we are running this robotics institution as automatics, and we are training every year students in the offline world. But once this COVID situations came in, right? So we were have to now, since still till now the situation is not yet solved yet, and still here we have not yet gone back to the offline world. We do not wanted to take a break in our mission, right? So we wanted to keep on this mission to go forward and forward and forward, and that's why we started out this Android app coding for teens. And when you ask me why Android app coding, right, the reason is that today the way the methodology of learning the children's are adapting towards today is like more focused of theoretical approach. So they need some kind of a practical experience where they can get their hands on, because there is a statistics in educational field which says that around 80% of people who are uh, inside the learning field, or the learners, are generally like they are kinesthetic learners, hands-on experience learners. So they needed some kind of an hands-on experience, and that's why the idea of the Android app coding came in, because we don't need any specialized tools. You need not have to go out of your house during this COVID times. You can sit at your home, learn, and make more and more apps.
Awesome, awesome. And you said that's specifically for teens. So, what age group is actually directed towards this coaching? Like, what kind of students can become a part of this?
See, basically, there are a lot of people today starting coding from the age of 6, 7, 8 itself. But what
Yeah,
I would recommend, and what I myself is focusing at this point of time, is that teens who are at the age starting from 11 years and above. The
okay,
reason behind this is the particular time their creativity of new ideas or new concepts. Because if you see the teens at this age, 11, 12, or 13, always they come up with something different which we might have never thought about it,
correct.
right? So that's the place we need to start teaching them how they can turn those dreams into reality. And that's why I start and work with these people at the age of 11, 12, 13, right? And once they are in that phase of developing creativity itself, we can give them a solution where they can turn their creativity into reality. And that's how my focused system works. But generally people are doing it from 6, 7, 8, which I
Yeah,
wouldn't
I was
recommend
about
it,
to ask
because
you. I was about to ask you. Like, a lot of parents are not happy with the way it has been projected outside. Like a 6 year old kid, 7 year old kid can learn coding, etc. Because when I asked for my daughter for certain classes, not for coding, but for certain other classes, they clearly said that she should be 7 years old, she should be 8 years old. They have some age criteria. But a lot of people are now telling that even your kid is 5, 6 years old, we can teach coding, etc. So a lot of parents are actually questioning, do they really need? But what I want to ask is, at 11 years or 12 years, is it early to get into coding, or why it is very important for even for that age group of students to get into coding? So what is your view on that?
To be frank, 11, 12 years getting into coding is actually not early. It's actually a little late, right?
Okay,
Because the reason is that today the world is fast evolving.
okay,
So what is happening is like you get an iPhone or you get a mobile phone today, right? Within the next 6 months, it becomes outdated. So
okay,
that's how technology is, and that's how the real stats of the industry is all about. Today, you may find that engineering is one of the topmost field in the field of science development, right? So today you may think that IT and computer science are just blowing up the way, but tomorrow when you just move into, there is another engineering stream coming up, right? So there is a complete shift of pattern of education itself happening up, and this pattern is like rapidly changing, right? Previously, if you take this pattern of change, it takes like 200 years to have a shift in the stream of education, just like we call this as the industrial revolution, right? So once the industrial revolution started, it was like it took like 200 to 250 years to complete, and people started moving from bullock carts to cars and bikes. It took like 200 years to do that. But now if you see the computer revolution, it started in 2002 or 2003, but today you could see everything in a mobile handheld, and you can access it anywhere across the globe. So the pace is really picking up, right? And we also, as the citizens of the country or the nation or the world, have a responsibility to adapt ourselves to the technology, because the world is fast evolving, the opportunities are really new, and we need to evolve. And that is why I feel that 11 12 years we need to go into coding, because the world of artificial intelligence has already started. Each and every industry like medicine or startant accountant, or you go into any engineering field, intelligence is going to shake the world in the next 2 to 3 years. And are we really adapted, or are we really ready for it, is the question we need to ask our child. And that is the reason I say 11 12 years, yes, we need to start tuning our teens in moving towards this next world of technology, on how to use it, how effectively we can use it, and how it can make our teens better.
Super. But now say you said it very clearly why they need. But I also want to know how they can apply this in their career, in their growth, in their life, whatever learnings they are getting with along with this coding or the basics of robotics, etc. How is that they can completely utilize this in their career growth and the life growth? So how can they apply?
Got it. Gunai, today in the world of artificial intelligence, everything is like data and statistics.
Okay.
Wherever you go into an auditing firm, there's data and statistics. You go into a medical doctor, you have a data and statistics. Even today, this COVID times, you see every day there is a statistics coming up. So many number of people affected, so many people have recovered. All these are possible because of data and statistics,
Correct.
right? So any industry is going to require a people who could be an expert in data and statistics, and to handle these data and statistics, how to solve the challenges which is coming up with this data and statistics. One of the primary skill every team has to develop in this upcoming future technology world is problem solving, right? And problem solving, the best practice that you can give your teams is to do coding, right? The more and more they try to code, the more and more they try to solve a problem, the more and more they get expert in the field of problem solving. And problem solving is one of the most important skill that they can apply in developing their personal, okay? Because this problem solving is not only going to help them in their professional life, but it is also going to help them in their personal life, how they can handle relationship, how they can handle their friends, right? How to speak with people. Everywhere this problem solving aspect is a really important thing. So this is how the personal development can actually be given by learning to code. And professional development, as I already told you, this is a world of artificial intelligence, right? So the next career opportunities is the world of coding. So wherever you go, right? So these are the two different aspects I wanted to. I'm actually seeing people, right? It will really benefit by learning to code.
Okay, so with that, I think we could see a great potential for people who are developing this skill in various industries, in various aspects. I could really see that from the way you explained now, and maybe a lot of parents watching this video who wants to enroll their teens or even teens who are watching, if they want to become a part of your sessions because you're doing multiple batches. So when is the next batch is happening and how they can become a part of it? Can you just share few things about it?
Okay, so my next batch is starting on with this coming Monday, right? So coming Monday, I'm coming up with my next set of batch,
The next,
right? So
okay, coming Monday. Okay,
the following Monday,
okay,
right? So you can just enroll on the link which I will be sharing on below this video, so people who are watching it can watch on it, right? And it's like a kind of a 5 days program, right? So it's a every day an hour of class where a kind of task and completion system of process will be followed up.
super. Super. Thank you. Thank you, Vishal. In the short, interview. You have shared a lot of insights on why it is important to get into coding and develop that skill. In what way it can actually help a team to actually position themselves for the future world, and they can be future ready so that they can actually get opportunities in various aspects in various industries. And thank you very much for sharing all these insights in this short interview. Thank you very much for being a part of this Startup Bites show. Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you, Guna, for giving me the opportunity to express my opinion in this through the startup bites, and also giving me an opportunity to feature you along with you in this particular video. Thank you so much for each and every one of you who's watching this video, right? And let's all create our teens and make the future generations become the world-class leaders of the world.
Thank you. Thank you everyone who is watching this show. So kindly do share this video to all your known contacts so that the content which we just discussed may be very useful for them. So do spread this video. Thank you very much for watching. So I will come back to you with the next new initiative by another startup or an existing entrepreneur about their new initiative in this Startup Bite show. So see you then. Thank you very much, Gunesh Shegaran, startup coach and author of Startup Recipe. See you in the next Startup Bites. Thank you.